Hi, Shalev Amar with your Lemon Law Advocates. What we're going to talk about in today's video is a major lemon law mistake to avoid. And what that mistake is to stop making payments on your vehicle. Before we get into that, a little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law matters since all the way back in 2004. Now have an amazing team that handles these lemon law matters, and we do everything with lemon law and breach of warranty cases from A to Z. And handled at this point thousands of these cases. 95% of our cases do settle out of court, and we have a 98.7% success rate. Let's get into today's topic. It's understandable when you buy a defective product, you buy it in good faith, you're making payments, and then it keeps breaking down on you. You're without your vehicle for long periods of time, and or you keep having to get it repaired over and over again for the same issue or for different issues. And what you might think is, look, I shouldn't be having to pay for a vehicle that doesn't even work properly. I paid for a brand new vehicle with a warranty, and they're basically not complying with the warranty because even though I'm not being charged for the repairs, my vehicle just is not being fixed. I can't even use it while it's in the repair shop. So why should I have to keep making payments? Although that makes logical sense, stopping to make your payments is actually shooting yourself in the foot. Basically blowing your foot off if you do that. Here's why. Under the law, two wrongs don't make a right. You do have an obligation under your financing or lease agreement to make payments on the product. Now there is a process, a lemon law process, where you can at least be compensated or potentially get a vehicle buyback or a new vehicle replacement. But you can't just take the law into your own hands and decide, well, you know what? I'm not happy with the product. I didn't get what I paid for. I can't even use it while it's being repaired, so I'm just not going to make payments anymore. What will happen if you do that is, A, you'll ruin your credit. So you'll take a bad situation and you'll make it even worse on yourself by damaging your credit. And B, the vehicle can end up being repossessed. And guess what? If it's repossessed, there's cases that say you can't bring a lemon law claim if you no longer have the product. The reason is because for either a buyback or a new vehicle replacement, you have to give the lemon vehicle back to the other side, usually through a local dealer. And so if your vehicle gets repossessed, you just totally killed your lemon law case. Not only is your credit ruined, but you're barred from getting what the law entitles you to, which is either a brand new vehicle or a refund, and also to have your attorney's fees covered. So don't do that to yourself. Be smart, go A, B, C, D, not A to D. And if you're having vehicle problems, please visit our website. We have lots of free information for you. That's ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com. If you have any questions for us, or if you'd like a free lemon law evaluation, feel free to call us. Our number is 480-237-2744. And the very last thing you should do is not make your payments for the reasons I gave you. So until next time, keep in mind, we're here for you. We're here to help. If your car's not up to par, call Amar.